I'll show you how to go from this to this and get shots like these and get voiceover sounding like this. Testing 1, 2, 3. All you need is these 4 items and they'll only cost you $65 because you'll use the phone that you have right now to film. I'm using an old iPhone 12 mini for this whole video. I'm also using this super light NEX5 from Sony camera that I use if I don't really want to use my phone, but please don't buy a new camera if you're not committing yet to YouTube. For lighting, a ring light should be enough. Personally, I chose to save up for a cob light instead of buying those cheap softboxes on Amazon. Daylight from a window is also free, and your practical light can be an existing lamp in your room. I am using a desk microphone mount from Newer. This will let you film top-down reviews and drawing videos, and can be used for talking head videos too. It's good for introverts who really don't want to show their face in a video. You can also swivel this around, and you can use it actually as a holder for your phone as a teleprompter when you're recording. Then you can get a cheap tripod like me from UBsize, and you can buy this if you know that you're going to be making talking head videos. And I actually regretted this because I could not use it to make top-down desk videos properly. For audio, you can buy a lav microphone like this, and you'll get this if you need to make talking head videos and don't want a microphone arm in the shot like me. So that's really it. It's just 4 items, costed me less than $65, and my only suggestion to you in your bedroom studio is that you shoot against a wall in the corner, and you can save a lot of money to make it look aesthetic by just having some shelves in the corner with some things that you like and things that show your hobbies, and it'll make the video look a lot better.